Hey there, so I want to talk about this. This is the SoundCore Liberty Lite. These are some truly wireless earbuds. They're budget friendly, I guess. 600 milliamp per hour, 5 volt. When it comes to charging, is micro USB charging right there. They're about $60 to $70 on Amazon at the moment, which is pretty good. I'll link it right below. This is really magnetic. It will open up if you drop it. You can see it has little scratches on it and stuff like that because I've had it since August. I've beaten this thing up quite a bit. These are the LED indicators to let you know how much battery that's available right now. It's 100% for the case and things, and the earbuds are charging. The AirPods come in extra small, not the tips come in extra small, medium, and large. They come with these ear tips right there, and they also come with the ear wings to keep them further in your ear. So when you're running and stuff like that, it is water resistant, not waterproof. So don't go swimming with them because it will ruin it. Some of the pros is that it's small, but the case is not as small as the AirPods, as you can see right there. But the actual earbuds are small. The smaller, the portable, it has a good sound. I would say that it sounds better than the AirPods, mostly because of the way they're shaped and they're further in your ear compared to the AirPods that sit in your ear. The battery life for me has been 3 hours. They say it's 3.5 hours. It's been 3 hours, and I think the case holds 9 hours of battery. I wouldn't know because I usually charge them every 2 to 3 days, so I don't let it die. So yeah, but I would say 3 hours is pretty close to what I've ever gotten. I've never gotten to 3.5, but I've gotten 3 hours. It's small, it's lightweight, it's not intrusive. Noise isolation is pretty great. It does have press control or touch controls. So if you long press the right earbud, it goes forward. If you long press the left earbuds, they take to the previous track. But if you're not listening to music, if you are listening to music already, it just rewinds the song to the beginning, which is not that bad, but okay. And if you double press it, you could double press either ears for Siri. With the whole range, it depends on what your location is. In my apartment, I have no issues going from room to room. But at work, I might have issues because I work in a building where it's made out of concrete, steel, and stuff like that. But yeah. The right ear is where I would say is an issue because the right ear is the master. So you have to connect the right ear to the device and then connect the left one to the right. And then once you do that, it's pretty seamless. It does have, once you've connected to one device, like the iPhone or whatever it is that you use, as soon as you open it, as soon as you take these out, it should connect automatically, but it doesn't always do it. But when it doesn't, you just press the right ear, you press the left ear, and it should connect without any issues. And you have to be careful when you put this in your bag, because sometimes you think it's completely shut, but it's not. And music is still playing or audio is still playing within this, and it's not charging. So you have to make sure that everything is in there as it should be. Because usually when I put them, I just gotta be this, wiggle them around just to make sure that we're sitting there properly. When you listen to FaceTime audio, FaceTime video, it goes to both earbuds. But if you're only using regular phone calls, WhatsApp, and Skype and stuff like that, it will only use the right earbuds as it is the master. When it comes to video audio lag, I don't notice much audio lag when it comes to music and podcast, but I will see it in video from time to time depending on the type of video. If I'm just watching a video where nothing is really much going on, like if it's an interview or the subject is sitting still, it doesn't really have much latency. But if there's a lot going on screen, then it does have issues with processing it. And when it comes to phone call, I would say that people do have issues hearing me, or if they do hear me, an issue that they have is they can hear the surroundings but not me, which is quite bothersome, but it's alright though. But yeah, that's pretty much great when it comes to it. They're comparable to the AirPods. I would say they're better, in my opinion. And the fact that they have press control or whatever you want to call it, it's pretty great for me. And I'm pretty sure that you can use Siri to just lower the volume. So you just press and hold and give it a second, and you will hear the prompt from Siri, and you can just maybe say volume down or whatever it is, and she'll do that. So that's not an issue when it comes to that. My favorite part is still the noise isolation, and because I take the train and the bus all the time, I love not being able to hear every single person's conversation and the conductor, because I know what he's already said, because he said it like 4 times already. So yeah, so it's not a problem for me. And the fact that they fit better in your ears because of the shape of it, because of the way they're made, is great. If I had to give it a rating, I would give this an 8 out of 10, 8.5. If I'm being generous, but yeah. So I would recommend these for a budget-friendly type of earbuds under $70. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.